Hello everybody, this will be a tutorial on how to forward multiple emails in Gmail. If you try to select multiple emails, you will see that there is no such button as forward. So by default you cannot forward multiple emails in Gmail. But there is a workaround which I'm gonna show you now. You need to use Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome click on the small button at the right top which looks like three small dots. Then click settings, go to extensions, click get more extensions, and in the search bar type in multi forward, press enter, and from the list you need to select multi forward for Gmail by Karan173. Click button add to Chrome, confirm. It says it has been added, and now let's close these tabs, and we need to reload the page so that our extension will be activated, and we need to wait for the page to be fully loaded. And now when it is done loading, we can select the emails which we want to forward, and you will see there is new button multi forward. Click on it. If you use this extension for the first time, it will ask you to provide permissions, and you will need to enter your email and password. I've already done it before, so I don't need to enter my credentials. So here you just need to type in the email where you want to forward it. Let's say I will forward to myself, and then simply click the button multi forward. Oops, there is some you need to select it from the drop down so it will be valid email. Click on the button. It says messages successfully forwarded, and now let's refresh the page, and you can see that I've just got 3 different emails, and this is how you can forward emails.